At Programmed, we are firmly customer-focused and aim to bring strategic value to your business. We understand that as asset owners, you're looking to optimise the life, cost and functionality of your assets that support your core business and purpose. Our strategic asset management practice leads the way in how we can help you. Aligning with your corporate strategy, we help your company's stakeholders and leadership realise organisational objectives through improved decision-making and risk management. Providing our customers with expert advice and robust asset management strategies through our certified ISO 55001 Asset Management Framework. Our approach to strategic asset management planning and maintenance will guide your business strategy, from concept to acquisition, through to maintenance, renewal, and finally, disposal of assets that will give the best value and outcomes for your business and your customers. We start by collecting and correctly classifying asset data and creating a hub of centralised information on your assets. Using that data, we create strategic asset management and annual maintenance plans aligned to your budget and business objectives. Programmed provides you with industry-leading tools, advice and expertise to enable your business to either start or evolve your asset management journey. Dynamic data platforms and insights enable and supports quick and informed decision-making and analysis, whether you're looking to understand the remaining life of a particular asset or planning across your portfolio. Programmed brings strategy to life and operationalises strategic asset management through your organisation, providing a deeper understanding of your assets, allowing us to reduce risks and drive cost efficiencies across the whole life of an asset and increase operational performance. This will enable you to concentrate on the things that matter most to your business, your customers. Programmed, where people, process and technology come together to transform your business operations for the future.